What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. Today we got 200 gram cake coming at you guys. 25 shots by Firework Predator called Mental Breakdown. This looks like a pretty fun cake, as you can see. If you guys like the video, don't forget that like and subscribe button. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.
Down.
Hope you guys all liked that demo. That was such a strange firework. There's so many different effects going on, and literally everything was in that firework that you can ask for. Such a cool firework, and I hope you guys liked the video. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos coming here soon, guys, as I said in the last video. Yeah, but if you guys liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.